Teachers and boys and girls, I'm going to show you one of my favorite apps, which is called Draw and Tell. Draw and Tell can be found at home on your personal device if you go to the App Store and search for it. But on a school district device, you just click on the self-service button, scroll down, see if you can find Draw and Tell, and there it is. And I would just install it. So once I install it, I would just click and open it. And it looks like there's a little cat with a paintbrush in his mouth.
Duck, duck, moose. Select a new piece of paper or a coloring page, or look at your drawings.
So we're going to start off with a blank page. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the white blank page. And I'm going to go ahead in the top right hand corner, if I click, I see all the drawing tools now. So let's start with the pencils and things first. So if I look down here, you have a paintbrush that you can use to draw. And I always go back to the top right to change the tool. You also have a pencil, and don't forget you can pick the color that you can draw with. And you also have a crayon, so you can pick your colors using the different items down there. Now the eraser, if I click on that eraser, which is in the middle, I can either touch the tiny eraser, which will erase a little bit, or if I choose a big eraser, it'll erase much easier if I use that big eraser. So there's your drawing tools, then you have your eraser if you need it. Okay, so let's just start a new drawing. So let's just say I want to do a math problem. And we're going to start off easy. We're just going to do something like maybe I have 3 cars and 2 more cars come and I want to show what it looks like. So at the top, you have your clip art. So down at the bottom, I can find anything I want. Oh, there we go. There's some cars. And Mr. Crayons used to have a yellow Beetle when I was growing up in high school. This is what I drove around. Okay, so let's just say that my story problem, I have 2 yellow beetles and 3 more beetles came into the parking lot. So what else I like to do is I like to go ahead and let's pick a pencil here. And let's just pick, and I can go ahead and write the number sentence. So if my teacher wanted me to write a number sentence and draw it as well, I can do this. So I can just write 2 plus 3 equals 5. So what I can do now, once I have it the way that I like it, I can record my voice and talk about this as well. So do you see the microphone at the top? It's the pink one. So click on that.
Record your voice. You can also move the stickers while you talk. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, so I had 2 yellow beetles in the parking lot. 3 more yellow beetles drove in. How many beetles do I have now? So my number sentence would be 2 plus 3 equals 5. And when I stop, push the stop button, now I can listen to my story. So I'm going to push the play button and listen to the story. All right, so I had 2 yellow beetles in the parking lot. 3 more yellow beetles drove in. How many beetles do I have now? So my number sentence would be 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, so this video that I made is still in Draw and Tell. What I can do is I can put the video on my camera roll, and depending on what my teacher wants me to do, I could actually put it in Seesaw, I could upload it into Canvas, or whatever I want to do. So I would have to click on the back arrow though. And then from here, do you see the little picture frame with the arrow? That
Pick the drawing to save to your photos.
You can take it and move it out of Draw and Tell and put it in your photos. So it's just telling me to pick the one that I want, and then click Save Photos. So now it's saved right inside my photos. And that's how you use Draw and Tell. And then your teacher, if she wants you to put it in Seesaw or Canvas, she can show you how to do that. This is a fun app that you can use with any subject. You can do a math problem, you can draw a picture from a story, you can draw things for science, like the water cycle, and record yourself talking about the water cycle. How fun is that? Hope you enjoy Draw and Tell.